Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing review time. Today, I'm going to bring you it's a women watch. Let's have a look now. When you receive this box, you can see here it's our watch. And here is the manual book. And this is the guarantee card. Okay, this is our new design, NF5018. It is our new design of crystal diamond watch. You can see on the bezel there are 54 diamonds, and in the dial we have 11 crystal diamonds to be in their indices. On the 12 o'clock position, this is our logo. And we can see this is a very big butterfly in the middle of the dial. And on the wing of the butterfly, we can see there are very small crystal diamonds on the wing. It's so bright, this. And this whole watch is metal. And let's have a more detail to look at the thread. It is made of the Millennium thread. And on the back case, we can see the model number here, NF5018. Now, let me wear it on my wrist. Okay, that is what it like on my wrist. It's a very fashion and beautiful woman watch. This watch we have 4 colors. Later I will show you all. Okay, welcome back. This is NAVIFORCE unboxings. Just now I have shown you these colors. The silver color combine the rose gold. Now I will show you the next. This one, the foot silver one, is also a very bright color ladies watch. Okay, we can see there's a very big silver butterfly on the middle of the dial. And also we can see there are very small crystal diamonds inlaid into the watch case. Okay, let's have a look at the back side, the crown here, and also the Millennium band. Let me have a try on my wrist. Okay, let me wear it on my wrist. The silver color, the band is very soft. Okay, let's see the next color. This color is the foot rose gold. We can see the dial, the butterfly, and the Millennium band is all the rose gold. It's a very fashion color. The band, we can see there are some slots on the band to adjust the length of the band. Okay, this color is the blue combine the rose gold. And also the buckle here. This kind of buckle is very easy to adjust the length of the band. If you want to know how to adjust the length of band, you can see others of our video will show you how to adjust the band. Okay, this is all today for this crystal diamond women's watch. See you next time. Bye.